We've got a box of Quick Fix from Spectrum Labs here. It's a well-known synthetic urine that you can buy in stores or online. This package is easy to spot. It's yellow and black. There's a QR code on the box that you can scan to verify that it's an authentic Spectrum Labs product. Now, let's open it up. So, what's inside? We have a bottle of synthetic urine, a heat pack, and a rubber band. There's no manual, but it's printed inside the box. You'll need to tear the box open to read it. Also, don't forget, we have a detailed video where we review the best synthetic urine kits. We cover how to choose the right one and what to look for to make sure you pass a drug test with 100% confidence. Make sure to check it out. The link is in the description and at the end of the video. Now let's talk about the synthetic urine itself. The color looks natural. There are 3 ounces in the bottle. You usually need at least 1.5 ounces, so theoretically you could use it for 2 tests, but it's safer to just use it once. If you plan to use it twice, you'll need to refrigerate the remaining urine or freeze it if you're storing it long term. The bottle is sealed to keep the urine fresh. You'll need to remove the seal before using it. The quality of the urine is pretty decent. It's designed to pass a standard drug test, and according to the manufacturer, it will also pass a validity test. The bottle itself is hourglass-shaped. It's not entirely clear why, but they market it as a convenient design. What exactly it's convenient for is still a bit of a mystery. But overall, the bottle is flat and easy to conceal. The cap is hinged, which is a nice touch. It makes it easier to use in the testing room since you don't have to unscrew and rescrew it. Just flip it open and pour the urine into the test cup. The bottle also has a temperature strip. I tested it with a digital thermometer, and it's not very accurate, so you need to be cautious. As you can see on the photo, the thermometer shows 93.9 degrees Fahrenheit, but the temperature strip shows 96 degrees Fahrenheit. This isn't very accurate, so remember that the actual temperature is 2 degrees lower than what the strip displays. The kit also comes with a heat pack. It's a chemical heater that activates when exposed to air and warms up. These are pretty standard with most urine kits. It takes at least 30 minutes to heat the entire bottle, so it's best to microwave the urine first or use a specialized heating powder which isn't included in this kit. I'll explain how to properly heat it in the microwave in just a bit. The heat pack can reach temperatures of up to 156 degrees, which is pretty hot. Be careful not to press it directly against your skin, especially if you have sensitive skin, as it can cause burns. If you plan to use the urine twice, you'll need an extra heat pack. Now, how do you use Quick Fix to pass a test? First, remove the seal from the bottle and screw the cap back on. Now, if you need to warm it up quickly, use the microwave. Just place the bottle in the microwave and heat it in 10-second intervals. Keep checking the temperature strip, and once it shows between 90 and 100 degrees, you're good to go. Open the heat pack, place it against the bottle, and secure it with the rubber band. Attach the heat pack to the bottle on the opposite side of the temperature strip to ensure an accurate reading. Then, place the bottle somewhere on your body. You could put it inside your pants, but keep the heat pack away from your skin to avoid burns. I recommend using a leg strap or special underwear with a pocket. Don't just put it in your pocket because you'll be asked to empty them before the test. When you're in the test room, take the bottle out, check the temperature, and make sure it's between 90 and 100 degrees. Flip the cap open, pour the required amount of urine into the test cup, and you're good to go. Don't forget, we have a comprehensive review of various synthetic urine kits for passing a test. Be sure to check it out.